husband know that I've been wanting a patio table ever since we moved into our home in 2018. I've been looking around for some patio tables, but they wasn't what I wanted. I wanted something to be very sturdy, last for years, and the exact way that I wanted it to look. So on Mother's Day, my husband asked if I wanted him to build a patio table, and I told him yes. So I told him exactly the way that I wanted it and everything. So we went to Home Depot, bought some wood, and he built it the exact way that I wanted it. This patio table that he made for me, it was right at I think it was right at $200, and that include all of the wood and the screws, like you see right here, that we had to purchase. We had everything else. We had the saw and all the other things that he needed, and we also purchased this wood glue. So thank you all so much for watching. I had told you all that I would put this video out. You all seen this patio table in my salute, the red, white, and blue tablescape video, and I told you that I would be bringing this video to you to let you see how my husband made it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor, some home decor, you will see balloon designs, and tablescape. You all have an amazing day.
That one cricket. I could tell the way that went in. It was cricket.
So we decided to paint my patio table this beautiful, like a reddish color. So as you see, my husband is painting parts of it, and then I painted the other part of it. My husband also made some beautiful side tables that if you watch the Salute Red, White, and Blue Tablescape that I did, he also made those beautiful tables.